Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on how to use this Adobe Illustrator template to create a pendant. You can use the pendant as a necklace, attach it to a chain, or create earrings out of it. So let's take a look here. My workspace is very simple because from window I have not opened any workspace. All I have opened from window is I have my tools over here, layers, and swatches. So let's take a look at the layers. These are all currently locked, and the only layer that you need to unlock, the only one, is the top one, because that's your design. So you're going to unlock it, and you're going to see if you select these shapes, you can wake them up, and you could then apply a color on them. Sorry, that is the stroke, and get to the fill. You could pattern. You can go down to the libraries, of course, and open up patterns, decorative, all kinds of ways to decorate these. Just wake this up and click on that if you want. So lots of ways to decorate these. And then of course you could certainly place type. You could also, let me turn this off now. I just go to here. You could place type here. The last thing I'm going to show you is something that could be fun, is if you select this and you go up here to Object, Path, and Offset Path, you can create an offset path that creates another shape inside that pendant. Okay, so now that you have another shape that matches, it's inside that. You could select that. Oops, use your direct selection tool, my bad. Direct selection just to select that shape, and you could do that. And you could select that and just get your direct selections tool just to select that first one. And now you're going to go again to Object, Path, Offset Path, and it's going to do the same amount. And then you could do something like that. So lots of things you can do with this. The important thing is you want to make sure you have a design for the front and for the back. And then the last thing is you definitely need to save this template as save it on your computer, because you're going to be submitting it to the Solano folder that we point you to, and you're going to save it as a PDF. So you need to save that as a PDF, and you are done.